Hi everybody, today I will show you how to share only one tab in Google Sheets. Let's begin. So, Google Sheets doesn't have a direct option to share one tab from a spreadsheet, but there's a simple workaround that gets the job done. As you can see, I have these 5 sheets available, and if I share this with anyone, all the 5 sheets will be shared with that person. So, to share only one tab, that is sheet 1, first right click on the tab at the bottom that you want to share, then click on copy to and select new spreadsheet. Google Sheets will create a brand new spreadsheet with just that one tab in it. Click on open and you will see that there's only one tab. So this is the duplicate of the previous sheet. This has only one tab while the previous one has all the 5 tabs in it. Now, you can share this new spreadsheet instead of the original one. Click the share icon at the top right. Name this spreadsheet anything you want. Click save. Now, click restricted. Click anyone with the link. Now, you can choose whether you want the person with the link to be a viewer, commentator or editor. Select this and copy the link. Click done. Now, anyone with the link will only have access to this one tab that we just shared. So that's how you share only one tab in Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.